So I've got a nice little challenge for you today. It's the quadruped foot to hand challenge. Now there is only one rule, and that is your two hands and the knee that you're not moving have to stay on the floor. Other than that, you just need to try and get your hand touched by your foot. So only one leg's moving. Give it a go. It's quite good fun. It's harder than it looks. If you do struggle to do it, if you struggle to get your hand to your foot or close to your foot, you might want to look at getting the Strength Through Movement Mobility Reset Programme on the website at www.movetoperform.co.uk. It's a great little mobility tester just to see where you're at, but it's also something fun that you can, do with the kids at home. So give it a go and let me know what you think.